Have you ever tasted a Khova Jamun so soft that it melts in your mouth before you even realize it? Today, I'm making the most authentic, original Khova Jamuns right at home. Let's begin by taking 200 grams of unsweetened khova. First, break the khova into small chunks. This makes kneading so much easier. Now start kneading and keep kneading until the khova becomes soft, smooth, and lump-free. Once the khova feels creamy and smooth, swift in 1 by 4 cup maida and a pinch, literally a tiny pinch of baking soda. Remember, too much baking soda will make your jamuns burst in oil, so be careful here. Now knead everything together again and you'll notice the dough slowly coming together. Once the maida has mixed well into the khova, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Knead it in and you'll instantly feel the dough becoming smooth. Now add half a tablespoon of milk, not more, just half, and knead again. This tiny amount of milk helps the dough bind beautifully and give that classic soft jamun texture. Now start shaping small jamun balls. Make sure they're small because once they go into hot oil, they'll expand in size. Roll each ball smoothly without cracks. Cracks can cause the jamuns to open in the oil, so just take your time and make them nice and even. While we shape our jamuns, let's prepare the sugar syrup. In a pot, add 2 cups of water and 1 cup of sugar. Let this come to boil. As it heats, add 1 chopped elaichi or cardamom for that classic festive aroma. Now here is the most important part. The syrup should be watery, not thick like honey and not extremely thin like plain water. If your syrup is too watery, the jamuns will break. If it's too thick, your jamuns will stay hard and will not absorb sweetness at all. So keep it light, thin and flowing. Heat oil in a kadai and once it is hot, add 4 tablespoons of ghee into the oil. The ghee gives your jamuns that rich, original mithai shop flavor. Now very gently slide in your jamun balls. Here's the golden rule. Fry only on low flame. If the flame is high, the outside will brown instantly but the inside will remain raw. Slowly turn the jamuns, let them take their time and watch them transform into beautiful golden brown color. This slow cooking is what makes them soft, fluffy and evenly cooked. Once the jamuns are perfectly golden, take them out and place them in a separate vessel. Pour the warm sugar syrup all over them. And do not be confused, my syrup looks brown because I have used brown sugar. Yours may look lighter if you use regular sugar. Let the jamuns rest and soak for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. During this time, they'll absorb all that sweetness and become unbelievably soft. And that's it. Your original Khova Jamuns are ready to enjoy. Soft, rich, perfectly sweet, and made with simple ingredients at home. Serve them warm, serve them chilled, or just sneak in one straight from the syrup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you want next.